Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I hope you're having a great day. I know I am. Happy Friday to everybody. It's almost the weekend. I did just want to give you the latest EV news with Biden, the US president, just authorizing the Defense Production Act to make more battery production materials. In addition to this, we will be talking about the hot EV stock Mullen Automotive, ticker symbol MULN, as it does have some very nice upcoming short-term catalyst. We are also going to be talking about the future potential of this stock moving forward. I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into it and get started, give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. Down below, I have great promotions. Using my link to Moomoo, put in $1 will get you a free NEO stock. Put in at least $100 will get you an additional free Lucid Motor stock. Stay to the end of this video. I have incredible opportunities for you to get some very large amounts of free money, free stocks. Now, without further ado, let's talk about the latest EV news. President Biden, the US president, has just now authorized the Defense Production Act to produce battery materials for electric vehicles. This is incredible news and will be very good for the EV market. What does this mean? Well, historically, the Defense Production Act has always been enacted by a president whenever there is a huge need to produce something. It was enacted back in World War II whenever the United States went to war to produce the airplanes, to produce tanks and military equipment. Just most recently, President Trump has authorized the Defense Production Act to make respirators, to make masks for the COVID pandemic. Now, this is the next president, President Biden, now authorizing the Defense Production Act to make battery materials. So that is correct. Right now, we are still in the EV revolution. Again, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The EV revolution will start and the EV production sales will skyrocket. This is a great time to be in EV stocks and EV plays as we are in the very beginning phases. Now, what does this mean for EV products and EV batteries? Well, right now, since Biden did enact the Defense Production Act to make the building materials to make batteries, this is going to be making batteries a lot cheaper, a lot faster. So we have just most recently heard that there's a lot of materials, a lot of the cathodes, such as nickel, lithium, are very expensive now to mine. This will actually help with that and start producing that mass production of batteries. So that is one of the biggest things right now. Moving forward, a lot of the production material stocks have actually skyrocketed. But right now we are just focusing on the EV stocks, and EV stocks are going to be having a very nice upward movement from now, in my opinion. Tesla, Lucid Motors, and Rivian are going to be the leaders in the EV space in the United States. And I definitely think that these stocks will benefit from this in the long term. Now, short term, we do still have those supply chain issues, chip shortages that are hurting and preventing the mass production of these vehicles. But moving forward, this will be very incredible news for the future and for the US to get off that oil dependency. Now, switching gears and talking to you about Mullen Automotive, ticker symbol MULN. We have just heard from the CEO of Mullen Automotive, and I did post the full interview. It's about a 32-minute, video with the CEO of Mullen talking about the futures of this company. But right now, we do know several things. Right now, we do know what their cash balance is on hand. It's roughly about $65 million. And according to the CEO, they are not actually going to have an earnings call as much companies normally do because they probably don't have a lot of revenue coming in right now. But that being said, they have about that $65 million in cash that they are sitting on, which is very important and critical in making a vehicle, electric vehicles. So far, we do know that they have made a total of 2 of the Mullen 5 electric SUV vehicles that are actually fully operatable. They're fully built. They are going to be making more in the future. But the biggest catalyst short term is that the CEO did mention that they do have a pre-order. They have an order for a very large Fortune 500 company to make electric delivery vans. So far they have not announced who that is. They said that they will be making a very big public relation announcement whenever this does happen. And I do think that this will be a huge catalyst moving forward. And I do think that if the stock is selling around $3, this could actually propel the stock back to roughly about $7. If you look back in this past 6-month chart, you did see that there was a period of time when this stock was trading at around $10 and then it fell to $7, and then in November it actually popped to about $13 on 3 separate occasions. It did test higher than $13. In my own opinion, I do believe that this stock has a potential, if it is trading around $3, to move up to about that $6-7 mark on this good news. So we have not heard who this company is. We have not heard the numbers, the delivery numbers of the vans that they will be delivering, but that is going to be announced in Q2 of the year 2022, which is just now a few days away. And so in the next, I would say in the next month, 2, possibly 3, we don't know if it's going to be at the end of the Q2, but we will have this very big catalyst, this very big news that will be short term. The way I am looking at this stock, it is a very, very volatile stock. It is a penny stock. It only has, according to the charts right now, about $105 million market cap, which makes it a micro cap company, very small company, very volatile in its stock. 52-week high has been $15.90. 52-week low has been 52 cents. So you can see a huge spread, huge volatility in this. However, right now, this stock, MULN, is the EV stock play that has the biggest hype. And on very good news, this stock can skyrocket and go up, as we have seen. It has gone up in the past, I would say 1.5 months, as high as $4.15, again as low as 52 cents. So we do still have that very big spread. But again, I would use your caution when purchasing this stock, and do your own due diligence before purchasing this or any other stock. But this does have a very nice potential to shoot up and to have a short squeeze on this stock, especially with good news, and I think that good news is coming. I have actually purchased this stock at $1.15. I sold it around $3 to make some gains, about 160% gains. I have not bought back into this stock. I am seeing if it can drop below about $2.50 before I take a order, before I get another position in this. But again, on very good news, I do think that this stock will pop up, especially if its average trading price is around $3. I do think that we can retest possibly $6, even at $7, depending on how many orders of the electric vans are and who this company is too. But great news to come. But I hope that you like this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And most importantly, I hope that you have a great weekend. But don't forget to hit that like, that subscribe button, notification bell to get my latest uploaded videos. Share this page with others so we can continue to grow the channel. And most importantly, I do have those free links to get some important stocks down below. Using my link to Moomoo, put in that $1 will get you a free NEO stock. Put in at least $100 to get an additional Lucid Motor LCID stock. Also, you can get up to 5 free stocks from Moomoo, and these stocks are pretty big stocks. I have some reviewers, some of my viewers have messaged me that they have received Amazon stock, Tesla stock. These stocks are very expensive stocks. Some people have also received Netflix. Coca-Cola was actually the very last stock that somebody wrote me that they received, so congratulations to those people. But again, take advantage of those huge, important stocks. Free money. You can get up to $17,500 using my links down below. But anyway, I hope to talk to you on the next one. Have a wonderful weekend. And just for my fans, I did just want to update you that I haven't been making as many videos because my mom is still very sick with cancer, actually. She's at the end stages now. And my heart goes out to her. She's my rock in my life. And it's going to be a difficult transition, but we are praying for her. And thank you so much for everybody's support, for praying for her and her health as well. But anyway, she is in end stage right now, getting blood transfusions. She has a bone marrow cancer. But again, thank you so much for all your thoughts, prayers on her, for her health to improve. But we are enjoying every minute, every day with her. So that is why I'm limiting my videos. But have a great weekend, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you so much. Take care.